More provinces are expanding their COVID-19 booster rollouts. In Ontario, millions of older adults will be eligible in the coming days. And as Ellen Morrow explains, booster shots could be available to everyone as early as January.
Fully vaccinated but over 70, Rosemary and Terry Miller are eager for the peace of mind a booster shot will bring.
Face to face, you can see smiles. I'm doing a lot of these meetings by Zoom, and quite frankly, I'll be glad when Zoom is finished.
Starting Saturday, Ontarians aged 70 plus, healthcare workers and some essential caregivers, people who received 2 doses of AstraZeneca or 1 J&J shot, and First Nations, Inuit and Métis people and members of their household will be eligible to book a booster if they're 6 months past their second shot.
For some groups, 2 doses may not be enough to achieve a high level of protection, or immunity can decrease gradually over time.
Similar announcements today in Alberta and Manitoba.
We do have an ample supply of vaccine, and we want to protect older adults.
For all other Ontarians over 12, boosters could be available starting as soon as January. But that timeline may shift, says the province's top doctor.
The dose interval will only be put in play when we understand if there's waning or fading immunity at a population level, which we're not seeing just yet.
Some may not need a 3rd dose at all, say some doctors, at least not that soon.
It's still, I think, not clear whether people who are 30 or 35 actually need a 3rd dose of vaccine. Maybe they don't.
And still, much of the world remains completely unvaccinated.
If you take away from the highest risk groups, these vaccines should be going to other places so they can get their first doses.
Oh, there it is.
For the Millers in that high-risk group, a booster will mean a merrier Christmas. Last year, they celebrated with an outdoor dinner. This year,
we're going to be able to eat it in our house, enjoy each other's company, and we may have a few of our other extended family members over for dinner, too.
Ellen Morrow, CBC News, Toronto.
Now, as we hear about boosters from the provinces, we're also hearing some great questions from you.
Are booster shots even necessary?
Can I get sick from it? Is it safe?
Hey, we're going to put those concerns and questions to Dr. Zane Chagla a little later in the program.